Hi, I am Amber Comer. I am the creator of MagLashBox. In this video, I'm going to teach you the essentials that you need to know on how to apply your lashes, how to remove them, and the tips to take care of them to keep them looking great and natural and stay put all day long. I have a bunch of other videos and tutorials and tips on YouTube or my website if you want to check those out as well. First, I'm going to show you how to apply them. Every set comes with 4 pieces. The top piece is the long one, and then the 3 bottom pieces are the small ones. As you can see, every long top piece has a tapered end, and that is the end that's gonna go inside on the inside of your eye. And that's gonna make it feel really comfortable and make it look a lot more natural. So to apply your MagLashBox lashes, you're gonna pick up your small middle lash by your tweezers, and then you're gonna go ahead and use it to readjust and grab on the tip of the lash with your magnet on the opposite end. Some people actually don't like to use these metal tweezers, so you can use a plastic tweezer if you'd like, or even just your fingers. Then go ahead and pick up your long top piece. You're gonna set it in the middle of your lash or wherever you like it. Then you're gonna bring that bottom lash up, let it stand with your natural lash, and let it clip on. One of the best features of our magnetic lashes are they are completely chemical free, and you don't have to wear mascara if you don't want. Then go ahead and make sure you're always pushing down the top lash on your lash line so that it gets as close to your lash line as possible. That is what is gonna make them look natural. Then again, you got your third piece. Switch it around, hold it by the tip. Then again, you're just gonna push down that top lash as close as you can to your lash line. Bring up that bottom lash and just let it clip right on. It is super easy. You should just be able to bring that bottom lash up and it will clip automatically. You don't have to like hold it too hard or push too hard or anything like that. So make sure you're always keeping that top lash still and moving around the bottom lash. If you have a hard time keeping your eyes open, you can hold on to your eyelid as well. That can kind of keep your eye open so that it doesn't keep blinking when you're trying to get those lashes to connect. So those are a couple tips. You can also check out some of our tutorials and highlights on our Instagram for how other girls apply them. It might take a few times for you to get used to it, but don't worry about that. Everybody has a little bit of a learning curve. It's not like we have our hands up by our eyes all the time, so it just takes kind of a minute to get used to it. All right, and then to remove, this is the most important part of the video. You definitely need to make sure you master this sliding technique. It's so easy though. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna hold on the top of the lash. You're gonna take your thumb and slide that bottom piece out and away, keeping the magnets parallel. As you can see, that came off so simply. Just go ahead and set it in your case. And then I always like to leave that last one for the middle and then just slide that bottom piece out. And if it's pulling on your natural lashes at all, stop before you keep pulling. We don't want to pull out any lashes, but as you can see, it literally just comes right off once you get those 3 pieces off. All right, so there we have it. Super easy. When you're storing them in your case, always store them at a curve. This is gonna make it so that when you do put them on your eye, they're the same shape as your eye and it will keep them closer to your lash line. Lastly, I'm gonna show you how to separate the lashes when they are put together. So I'm just kind of putting them on top of each other right now, because again, are very delicate, and that is so that they are safe for our lashes. But because of that, we also need to be gentle on them. So what we're gonna do to slide them when they're already put together is, again, you're just gonna do that sliding technique. 1 finger on top, 1 finger on bottom, slide them parallel away from each other, and then set them in your case. Or don't ever pull them this way, because that is what's gonna make the magnet come off, and we don't wanna do that. We wanna be able to use them for the full 30 to 45 wears. As you're using them and practicing, if a magnet does come off, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to replace it for you and get you a new one so that you can wear them for the full extended amount of time. Lastly, if you have any other questions or anything, also reach out. You have email, or you can reach out to us on our social media, and definitely tag us in your photos. We would love to reshare or repost. Again, thank you so much for your business, and thanks for watching this video.